Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I use Guinep to make juice. To make this juice, here I have ginger, I have my Guineps, and here I have passion fruit. So here I've already have my boiling water. So guys, what I did was to blend my ginger in a little bit of water and then add to my boiling water and allow it to boil up a bit so that the ginger can have its flavor. So up next we're gonna add our Guineps in the boiling water, and then we're just gonna let it boil up for about a minute, and then we turn off the stove, and then we're going to allow it to cool, then strain it off, squeeze it off to get the excess of Guinep meat or whatever you want to call it. So as I said guys, you're gonna allow it to cool, and then we're gonna add some cold water over it so that we can have a little more drink, right? It's a bit too strong as it is. So here guys, I'm using the whipper to get the excessive flesh that is left on the Guinep seed. I'm just whipping away to get it off. Guys, it did not work out, so I had to use my hands to squeeze off the excessive flesh from the Guinep seed. Next up, I'm adding my passion fruit. Guys, what I did was to add a little bit of water to the blender and add the passion and blend it a little first before adding it to my drink mixture. So here I'm mixing everything well, and then I'm going to strain and then add a sweetener. You could add brown sugar, white sugar, or any form of sweetener that you have. I'm using brown sugar in mine, and then I'm going to add it to the refrigerator for it to cool. Then yay, time to drink this delicious blend. Guys, you could try it at home. It's very easy. Look at it. Oh my god, wow. Guys, this tastes super good. I know you would love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Bye guys.